Hi, I'm Ivan and welcome into Flat Top Time, my next haircut series right here on the YouTube channel. We're going to take you through every snip and every clip, the cutting of a classic flat top shape. Turn on your notifications, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. Somebody you know needs to know how to cut a flat top. And here's the deal. If it's not flat on top, it's not a flat top. We will show you some style variations from a full square flat top like this all the way down to a high and tight horseshoe flat top with a landing strip. We're going to show you vertical sides. We're going to show you tipped in variations that are even shorter. And we're going to show you flat horizontal, and we're going to show you flat what we call canted forward. We're going to show you some options because not all flat tops are the same. Not all heads are the same. Not all hair is the same. But just about anybody and just about everybody can have a flat top if you've got the chops, if you've got the skills, the knowledge, and the information. And that's the goal of the sharing that I do right here on YouTube. So if you're ready, I am ready. It is time. It is flat top time. Let's go.